Introduction to the AWS Certified Solutions Architect path.
Earning the AWS Certified Solutions Architect certification opens doors in cloud computing. This guide breaks down the essentials, what the certification is, the benefits it brings to your tech career, and a clear, actionable plan for success. Whether you're just starting out or already in IT, this step-by-step path can help you reach your goal.
Prerequisites and foundational knowledge.
Before you start, it's important to have a solid foundation. Basic understanding of cloud concepts and some IT background are helpful. Familiarity with networking, security, and databases will make the process smoother. Many candidates begin by studying for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, as it covers core services and terminology used throughout your solutions architect journey.
Key study topics and exam domains.
The Solutions Architect exam covers 4 main domains: designing resilient architectures, designing high-performing architectures, designing secure applications and architectures, and cost-optimized architectures. Focus on learning AWS core services such as EC2, S3, VPC, IAM, and RDS. Real-world scenarios and best practices are central, so practical lab exercises are highly recommended.
Top resources for effective preparation.
A strong study plan combines learning resources and hands-on practice. AWS offers official training and interactive labs on their website. Supplement with popular courses from platforms like Udemy and Coursera, and read the official AWS documentation. Practice exams, study groups, and white papers, especially the well-architected framework, are also very useful for comprehensive preparation.
Final tips for exam success.
Dedicate regular time to study and keep reviewing key concepts. Focus on understanding practical application, not just theory. Don't neglect time management for the exam. Complete practice questions under timed conditions. On exam day, stay calm and read each question carefully. Passing the AWS Certified Solutions Architect exam is an achievable milestone with the right strategy and commitment.